This is a very quick video showing how to navigate to some key information brought up in Alex Berenson's article on the Pfizer trials and the subsequent FDA approval for that vaccine. So this article by Alex Berenson is really worth reading, and I'll put the link in the details below the video. But all I want to do is to show you how to navigate to the information in it. So he's talking about Pfizer's big trial where they gave nearly 22,000 people the vaccine and nearly 22,000 people a placebo, and notice the difference. So there was obvious differences in how many people developed moderate, severe or mild COVID symptoms, but more importantly there's a difference in how many people died after 6 months. And unfortunately more people who took the vaccine died than those who didn't. So I want to show you how to navigate to this because this is pretty important. So here's the link. And we're into the document. So go to supplementary material and download the PDF. So this is where the information on the all-cause mortality is. So table S4. Here it is. This is Pfizer's own study showing that 15 people after 6 months who took the vaccine had died, and only 14 people in a placebo control group had died. Interestingly, the ratio of death by cardiac arrest is 4 to 1. That's 4 deaths by cardiac arrest in the group who took the vaccine and only 1 group who didn't. Alex Berenson's article gets more interesting, however, as I'll go back to his article, as he talks about a subsequent FDA report. So the FDA officially approved the vaccine back in August, and in November they published why they did it. So we can, the FDA, USA, read this report for ourselves. So this is from the FDA. This is published and out there, and I think he said on page 23 they have some more information on all-cause mortality. So here, the FDA say that altogether 38 people died after 6 months of the trial, 21 of those in the vaccine group and 17 in the control group. So this is more than Pfizer had reported, and the ratio is getting worse for those who took the vaccine. Now, they say none of the deaths were considered related to the vaccination. Draw your own conclusions about that. So I think it's important. I can see how attractive it is not to want to develop severe COVID symptoms, like get a bad cough for a few weeks. But the bottom line is a bit more important to me, and I prefer to stay alive. So it doesn't really matter which one is correct, whether it's the 21 who died and the 17 who died as reported by the FDA, or whether it's the 15 versus the 14. In all-cause mortality, there isn't a benefit to the vaccine, it seems, and there may be problems. So, yeah, this is all worth considering, and I'd recommend everyone to go and check the data themselves and check the real documents before they make their decisions on whether to take these or whether to give them to kids.